Good morning, it's Dr. Olivia again from Real Healthy Me. How is everyone today? So this is now the third series in self-care. So in the first one we talked about doing difficult things, not just the nice things. In part 2 we talked about how to start a busy day. And today for our third session we're going to talk about how to end a busy day. So how do we finish a day? We've got patients who, they're kind of rounded in their body shape and habitus because it's all from stress. Like their blood test is clean, they don't drink sugary drinks, they have only one meal a day, but their body is stressed. But basically, how do you shut it down? How do you turn that off when you do finish your day so that you don't carry it forward and that your night would be of good quality rest? So 3 hot tips for today. You actually want to finish your day way before bedtime. This can be, 6 p.m., 7 p.m. And usually the best way to finish a busy and stressful day is to run around. Do some high intensity exercises, run around, something that brings your heart rate up. So that's number 1. Number 2, wash the day away. It can be a shower, it can be a bath, it can be a swim, and then you combine the movement and the having a bath thing together, to multitasking. Awesome. And finally, number 3, finish the day with some sort of food, because your body needs your parasympathetic system to digest food, and that's actually a good thing to do, to literally just finish the day, because your body needs to be slow before it can digest food. And enjoy the food that you eat. This is when you can, if you don't drink too much, the occasional wine would be fine to end the day, or a hot drink, hot cup of tea. So, and then make sure you do that about 3 hours before bedtime. So if you go to bed at 10 o'clock, you do really want to finish your day by 7 p.m. Then between 7 and 10 or something like that, you need to have something really calm and relaxing. So hot tip for today, to finish a stressful day, is to run around, get that last bit of energy out, and then wash the day away and finish the day with some sort of comforting thing that will slow your eating down. If you don't want to eat, that's fine. Some hot beverage, ideally not just alcohol, but if you are eating, alcohol is okay. And then give your body 3 hours before it can actually fall asleep. Alrighty? So until next time, we'll talk again. Bye.